Go kill yourself. Go sit in the middle of the road and let a car run over you.
Why, hello everybody. Hey guys, welcome to my website! Today, we're gonna be making a fucking review out of
Audio Jungle.
Minecraft cereal. Creeper Crunch. I don't know why this is a thing. You get like a fucking free thing in Minecraft. I don't know what Minecraft is. Anyways, so yeah, welcome to the set. I'm your host, Bagman, also known as BridgeM.C for you gamers out there. All right, well, let's get into the product. So, as you can see, it's a cereal box. Whoa! Family size, because I'm morbidly obese. I'm gonna eat it all.
You're ugly. You're disgusting.
It's green.
Shut the hell up.
Let's see on the ingredients. I can't fucking see this. There's about 9 servings. I disagree. Alright, well, let's fucking get into it, I guess.
No.
Gonna just... How you guys doing today? I'm tired. It's like 3 a.m. Well, looks like a terrible cereal. Smells like cinnamon, kind of. Fuck, that's awful. Well, let's get a fucking bowl and some milk and let's make this shit. Now, put the cereal in the bowl. Oh, fantastic. Go back to the fucking box. Thank you. God. Well, got like fucking green bricks like in Minecraft. I don't know what Minecraft is. Okay, well. Let's eat.
I'm diamond.
Time to mix the cereal and the milk. Fuck. Do I have a mouth? Yeah. Tastes like dog shit. That's pretty cool. Ah, fuck. This is my mouth. The texture isn't great. The cinnamon is a little overpowering, and the Minecraft. What the fuck is the thing out here? The Minecraft tastes like nothing. The green. Yummy. If you saw this at the store, get it for your kids. It's pretty fucking good, dude.